Yes, andito kami ngayon sa Okada. May magpa-perform ngayon from Zamboanga City. Ito yung kaibigan ko, si Bel. I-interview natin siya mamaya. Like, mamaya na mga kabay. Kabay, andito tayo ngayon sa Global Medical. So, check natin yung sa loob, yung party nila. Come on. Okay naman mga tao dito, so party sila.
check on you first.
Paano?
How are you feeling now? Relieved. We were all in awe. That was how long have you been singing?
Actually, since I was a child, I've been singing because I'm also part of the Chichi Choir.
It shows. It shows. Now let's hear from one of our judges, Miss Beth Tadiva. Miss Beth?
Yeah.
Okay, perhaps I can turn over the microphone to Bob. Good morning. Bob, any thoughts on our performer, Belle?
Power that you showed here tonight with your voice was beyond belief. It was yours. You made the song your own.
Thank you very much, Bob. Wow. Power to power. Thank you so much, Belle. We're going to see you again later. Please enjoy the rest of the night.
Belle, congratulations. Pwede mo ba sa amin i-share yung experience mo kanina since yung number 5 ay nanalo last year?
Yeah, actually ano siya, medyo kinda challenging siya sa akin kasi knowing na yung the contestant after me, siya yung nanalo ng Got Talent last year. So syempre parang may pressure din on my part kasi it's my first time to join, tapos first time ko din naka-attend. So parang pressured ako in a way. Pero nung nandun ako sa stage, in-enjoy ko na lang siya yung moment and mas naganahan ako kasi nung while kumakanta ako, nakita ko lahat ng audience na talagang nag-cheer sila sa akin kasi actually may kanya-kanya silang mga manok kumbaga. So may kanya-kanyang team ganun, pero nung time na ako nang kumanta, nakita ko sila lahat sila nag-cheer, lahat sila nakatayo, parang oh, thank you so much kasi parang mas binigyan ako ng ang tawag nito, lakas ng loob. So nung nakita ko sila, nag-enjoy na lang ako.
Pero grabe no, lahat ng mga tao doon kanina, talagang tumayo sila, including yung clients nila, talagang na-amaze sila eh. So sobrang ganda ng experience kasi syempre nakaka-proud din from Zamboanga City. Tapos dumayo. Yun, thank you everyone.